Hey, welcome to the Conversations AI tab in the CRM. I just want to go through it, show you how you can set up a AI bot to book appointments for whatever business that you have. So here we go. So once you come down here into the settings, it'll be settings down here, hit conversational AI, and then you'll see this. And then from left to right, bot settings, bot trial, where you can test it out, bot training, where you train it and you can configure intents. I'm going to start out with a bot settings. First, you can have it off. You don't have to have it on, but if you want an AI bot, you have to have it on. So you can have the suggestive AI bots that'll give you suggestions on how to respond to people, or you can hit autopilot, which will send out messages automatically. And then the supported channels here, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, whichever ones you want, you can have on. Like, for instance, my SMS I have off right now for my business, because usually I just want to, my clients are asking me very particular questions, and I need to answer those questions without an AI bot responding. But if you want that on, you can have it on. So Instagram and then Facebook. This Facebook one is for your Facebook business page. It's not for your personal Facebook, but Instagram, and then chat widget, SMS chat, and then live chat, like for your websites and stuff. So very easy to turn on and off. So, and then you bot trial, advanced settings, like your business, massage business. And then the autopilot mode, you can have wait time before responding. So you can have like 1 minute, 5 minutes. It doesn't go over 5 minutes, but you can have like normal person responds in like 20 seconds, 15, 20 seconds. I don't know, 20 seconds. And then seconds, 20. And then maximum messages a bot can send to a contact. So if it's a spammer or something like that they're messaging you and you don't want them to send like 5,000 messages, this is where you can go all the way up to 25. And then send bot to sleep when I send a message manually through a workflow or through a workflow. So if a person's asking questions and you see it on your app that you get, and then you're like, oh, I can answer that. I can, instead of having my AI bot do it, you can just hop on there and do that. And then it'll send it to sleep. It won't respond. Or if it's pushed through a workflow and automation, it will not work with conversational AI unless you have it set up that way. So that's that tab, the bot trial. We'll come back to that. The bot training, super simple. So I just went and pulled a massage website, put it in here, clicked all URL domains. It uploaded the links. It took all that information, put it in there. That's how it's going to respond. So whatever your link is, you just put it in here to your website, and then you can do exact URLs. Like if you just want your homepage, or if you want another page that you created to pull the information, all URLs within this path or in this domain. So if you just put in this domain, it'll pull everything from that domain. Super simple. And then you can add Q&A. So if you know certain questions are asked, like how long does a massage last for? Like, I don't know. And then typically between 30 to 90 minutes, all depending on what you want. That is, if you get that question, you press save, and it's a Q&A, right? So it'll post down here. It should. I didn't save it. So you just press save, and then it saves. There you go. There it is, right there. So there's the Q&A, and then you'll see this Q&A get bigger and bigger as you start training your bot and go in and edit your responses when people are talking to you, and I will show you how to do that. Configure intents. So support general questions and answers. Yes. If you have a calendar within the CRM, you can pick out what calendar you want the AI bot to book for. And then you can check 3 of these things. So don't book the appointment automatically. So they'll just be sent a booking link. So if you click that, they'll just be sent the booking link to the massage. Pause bot responses after booking. So once they get their appointment booked, you can pause it for how many days. And then you can trigger workflow after booking. Execute, like for if you have an appointment follow-up, right? Select workflow right there. Boom. There it is. And then you can trigger that after it books an appointment. And then you just save that, right? So once this is all set up, really, really simple to do. You come in here to bot trial and say, hey, looking for a massage. And this is where you'll see how your AI bot, let's actually go back here because I don't know, that usually messes it up. Let's delete that. Then bot trial, reset conversation. Hey, what types of massage do you offer? And the AI bot, hey, we offer this. It pulls all this information. Ooh, want to book one? Let's say, yeah. And then if you don't like this, I totally forgot. Configure intents, this one. Sorry, totally forgot with this. So in here, if you edit the prompt, you go down here, this conversational flow. After they say, yes, I want to book an appointment, stuff like that, if there's any qualification information for them to provide to you, this is where you put it in. You want email, you want their full name, just to clarify, phone number, for like real estate and stuff like that. You can ask them, hey, do you already have a real estate agent? And if they say yes, they do, you probably don't want to talk to them because I don't believe you can switch real estate agents. I'm not in that world. So just as an example, but really, really simple. Like we'll just add one here. What's your favorite type of smell for your massage? I don't know. Save that. And then once you say, yeah, you're ready to book an appointment, it's going to walk them through these all qualifications to get this information. So go right here. Let's go back to the bot trial. Great. So we did this, and then full name, perfect. TJ Ewan. Let's do that. And then it's gonna, they want my email. Boom. Got it. What's your phone number? Send. Cool. Thanks. What's your favorite type of smell in your massage? Vanilla. And then you'll have all this information. I don't know. Perfect. When do you want to book for? Let's go tomorrow. Here's some available spots. Let's do 12:15. Let's do that 12:15. And then it's going to see that. And then perfect. So you're done, right? Thank you. Let's see what that does. See, it just automatically responds. And if you like that, perfect. If you don't like it, let's cancel. Like if you don't like that, you can just come in here and just change it, and then it'll start learning how you want to respond to certain things and stuff like that. So the more you come in here and just change your responses, the better it's going to start talking like you and how you want it to talk. So Perfect. Let's go back here. Contacts. June. And there, it booked it, right? Boom, it's on there. It's on the calendar right there. Name, appointment, stuff like that. So you can book appointments for massages or haircuts, just service-based businesses and other coaching businesses and stuff on automatic without having to manually talk to people, which will save you a lot of time if you have a lot of lead flow and stuff like that. Saves you so much time. For example, you're a massage place, you're busy helping out a client, you're a person that cuts hair, a barber, and you're helping out your clients and you can't respond to all the messages. You can just go in, create your AI bot, very, very easy, and then just use the AI to book your appointments for you. Really awesome tool, saves you a lot of time and not too hard to set up. It's just in the Conversations AI tab, it's just the bot training and stuff like that. The bot trial where you can train it to do the up and down buttons. So you have an app, or you can go to the Conversations. I know there's no Conversations in this one, but on your app, on your phone, in real-time conversations, you can go in and push yes or no, you like it or not, and like the thumbs up or thumbs down, and then you can put in what you want it to say, and then that will show up on the add Q&A automatically. So it's training the bot as you're editing everything, which is really cool. Really, really, really cool. And you can have this bot on your website. Again, your website, Facebook, Instagram, SMS, live chat. It is absolutely amazing. So that is how you do the Conversation AI. You train it, and I will see you in the next video.